In this video, we're going to learn about applying a rule to a table using division. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the table using the rule divide by 2. So this is the rule, divide by 2. So what we'll have to do is apply the divide by 2 rule to each of these inputs. And that's going to look like this. So we just take each of these inputs and we're going to divide by 2 on each one. And how is that going to look? So you might remember how to divide by 2 by memory. You should start to memorize that by now. But if you don't, just take a look at these two tables. So they're exactly the same. It's just two different ways of showing division. So you could show division using this, or you could show division using this little division symbol. But they're exactly the same, so don't be afraid of them. Okay, so now we can start calculating them. So 2 divided by 2, they already gave us that answer. It equals to 1. And you can see them here on the tables. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now if we have 4 divided by 2, we could look at this table. 2 fits into 4 2 times. 2 fits into 4 2 times. So that's 2. Then 6 divided by 2. 2 fits into 6 3 times. And we could see that here. 2 fits into 6 3 times. Then 8 divided by 2. 2 fits into 8 4 times. And we could see that here too. And then finally, 10 divided by 2. 2 fits into 10 5 times. So that's the answer. 2 fits into 10 5 times on the other table. So we could just fill these in now. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you do that problem. Easy, right?